The too many attempts error, what it means and why it happens. Have you ever tried logging in your Telegram and you ended up seeing too many attempts error? Don't worry, because you're not alone. This error is pretty common, and in this video I'll be showing you why it does happen, and I'll walk you through simple steps to fix it so that you can regain access to your account. Common causes for this error. Before we jump into the fixes, let's first understand why this error occurs. Telegram has strict measures to prevent unauthorized access. This error is triggered when it detects multiple failed login attempts. Entering a wrong phone number or password may trigger this error. Sometimes Telegram flags login details from different locations or suspicious IP addresses. If you try logging in continuously for a short period of time, Telegram will temporarily lock you out. Now that's how it happens. Let's fix it. How to fix the too many attempts error. Number one step is to be patient and wait. Telegram may temporarily lock your account for a few hours. Avoid repeated login attempts and wait at least for 12 to 24 hours before trying again. Step 2. Reset your password. If you suspect the password issue, use the forgot password option. Telegram will send a verification code to your registered number or linked email. Follow the instructions to reset and log in. Verify your phone number. Double check that you're entering the right country code and a phone number. If using a virtual number, consider switching to a physical SIM for reliability. Additional troubleshooting tips. If the basic steps didn't work, here are the extra things to try out. Check for Telegram app updates. Outdated apps can cause login issues. You just have to head to the App Store or the Google Play Store to update the app. Clear cache and data. Now, if you're using a mobile app, just go to the settings, apps, then Telegram, then clear cache and data. Then restart the app. Disable VPNs and proxies. Telegram may block some logins from certain VPNs or servers. Try disabling them and logging in again. Contact Telegram support. If you're still locked out, reach out to the Telegram website or via email. So the too many attempts error happens due to multiple failed logins and security checks. Waiting it out is the easiest fix, but you can reset your password and verify your number. Avoid VPNs, keep your app up to date, and clear cache or data for a better performance. These are one of the things that you have to do to prevent this issue in the future. Use a strong password and enable two-step verification for added security. Keep your recovery email up to date to regain access if needed. Avoid multiple login attempts. Take a break before trying again. Do you still have other Telegram issues? Drop your comments in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.